I start from the beginning like the cliche of the beginning of every line. My mind was somewhere time decided not to find in a place where what was cited most likely was unreal. And my hands on your skin was not a soft feel. All apologies for no reason, just to do it again. And here I am, not your lover nor your friend. Here I am defining words that saw no meaning, but I continue as if I'm grateful for the weekend. Blistered ankles and sore thumbs, you would never understand. And that's the fun, that's the pun. You would never understand. What's my gun and you run and I'm shine. And all is well like your eyes in the morning light. Twisted symphonies of a pillow side. Rested visions and silk interests. Love me longer. Love me longer. Love me longer.
I'ma go longer than you know, like a boat as it floats down the stream. Life is but a dream, Corazon to the king, fingers through the rings. And I know the season change, but I'll be damned if you leave. Now let me stimulate your mind, damn you fine. Erect your spine, you know your curves are so divine. Don't let me lose you in design, pay attention to the signs. It's a team effort, watch you whine and then I stroke. Take my time and I go slow. You remind me I'm the GOAT. As you step up to my pole, I could be your right to vote. You go higher every note, I hear the melodies in your moan. Fucking up that beat like the treetop legs, we call it a D9. Asphalt, that's just how we rock. Let you be Bobby, not the D-spot. When I beat it up again, that's a rewrite. You will never find another lover, cause you's a mouth and I'm a motherfucker.
A Hyckoriii hug. It's marketable.
Let's hug it out.
Oh.
Yeah.
Or
One more. One more. You love each other. Yeah. Smooches. We happy. We lively.
Yeah.
It stink right here.
She like that.